My dad is a master of shashlik kebabs, and his Lula kebabs are simply magical with his secret ingredient. So, let's make them following my dad's recipe. These Lula kebabs will be incredibly juicy and delicious. Our entire family and all our guests absolutely love them, so you definitely want to save this recipe. We'll need ground meat made from beef and chicken. This time, I'm cutting the meat from a homemade chicken. You should use the chicken skin too. It adds extra fat and juiciness. I'll grind the meat along with the skin in a meat grinder. The onions must be grated. Don't chop them with a knife, only grate. You need to squeeze out all the juice from the onions. I'll put them in a sieve and let them drain. While I'm chopping the other ingredients, the juice will already be dripping out. Next, the chili pepper. I'll use half, but you can add more if you like it spicier. I cut it lengthwise and scrape out the seeds with a knife, because that's where the most intense heat is. If a seed gets into the Lula kebab, it won't be very pleasant. I'll chop the pepper very finely and then mince it even more. Add it to the ground meat. And now, for Dad's secret ingredient that grows in his garden. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Write your guesses in the comments and I'll definitely answer you. This secret ingredient also needs to be finely chopped with a knife and added to the ground meat. I'm taking a good bunch of cilantro and chopping it finely as well. If you don't like cilantro, you can substitute it with any other herb you prefer. The onions have already released their juice. I'll squeeze them well and add them to the meat. Now I'm adding Adyghe salt. You can add your favorite spices if you prefer. Now, I'm handing over the reins to Dad. His strength will come in very handy because the ground meat needs to be beaten really well. He does this for about 15 minutes until the meat becomes sufficiently sticky. We'll leave the ground meat in the fridge for an hour to marinate, and then it's time to light up the grill. Before forming the Lula kebabs, Dad greases his hands with oil. This way, the meat won't stick to his hands, and the Lula kebabs will be beautiful and shiny. Form a patty, and then stretch it onto a skewer. Let's go grill them. While the Lula kebabs are getting their tan, I'm adding a lot of cilantro to the ketchup. It's so simple and incredibly delicious. And here are the sizzling Lula kebabs. They look great and stay well on the skewers. It's a good idea to serve them on lavash bread. Oh, someone finds them very hot. Look how appetizing and juicy they are. The recipe isn't complicated at all, and look at the result. Now, try to guess the secret ingredient my dad uses in the comments, and definitely save this recipe. You'll absolutely need it, because I've never eaten Lula kebabs more delicious than these.